This is day 3 of my hair transplant recovery process. I can tell you that I'm very comfortable now, washing, shampooing, and shower, combing my hair very comfortably. I have a lot of hairs growing. I'm getting some decent growth already at this stage at 2 months. I feel like it's fuller, thicker, better shape in my face. Very happy and enjoying it every day. This was just a great experience, a great result from day one. I feel like I'm probably the only one that can complain to the doctor that I got too much hair. I feel like it's already complete, 100% ecstatic with my results. Thank you again, Dr. Bolton, for doing such incredible work for me and for everybody else. It's much appreciated.
I was really thinning up through the front and in the back. I wanted to get this filled in through the front and then also the top. Sat in a chair, watched a couple movies. The staff was very pleasant. And, matter of fact, if you met him on the street, you'd never know he was a doctor. Good sense of humor, and he made it painless. I don't know if people were looking at my hairline before. Now, I have no worries that they are. It was a great experience, well worth the money that I paid. I know I would have paid just the same, if not more, for less of a service elsewhere. And from start to finish, it was 5 stars.
I'm very happy with the results that I got after only 1 year. I feel much better. I'm much more confident, and overall, much happier. Dr. Bolton did a great job. I worked with Dr. Bolton for a few years, discussing different procedures that might work for me. The day of my procedure was very good, not even particularly that much pain. I feel much better about myself when I wake up in the morning and get to run that comb through something that's not just a chrome dome. My weight seems to be more of an issue than my hairline these days. I have to just highly recommend Dr. Bolton and his procedure. A lot of bang for the buck.
I first noticed my hair loss at about 29, 30 because I'm an actor. You gotta be, looking good and looking young. That's the key here. I lost a couple key roles because of the thinning in my hair. I was pretty impressed by the testimonials that were on there and the before and after pictures. He made me feel great, and I feel comfortable, and there's plenty of candy here and food, and so I'm good.
Thought that it would probably take off 3 years of my life, and people are telling me anywhere from 10 to 20. It's way beyond my expectations. My friends are being talked to and I'm not, and the reason is they don't recognize me. That's a pleasant side effect of having a hair transplant, especially with Dr. Bolton. After meeting everybody here and the staff, I decided to come here, and it was well worth it. You get what you pay for. I think the thing is you want to find somebody who specializes and does only this, and that was part of my decision, and thank goodness I did.